A bar equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K, B bar equal to B1I plus B2J plus B3K, and C bar equal to C1I plus C2J plus C3. With three non-zero vectors such that C bar is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. If angle between A bar B bar is pi by 6, then they are asking net of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 whole square in terms of what? 1 by 4 in 0, 1, 1 by 4 modulus of A square, 1, 3 by 4 modulus of A square, modulus of B square they are asking. So now let us take here in this question. So here we know that A1, sorry, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 is nothing but box A bar, B bar, C bar. So that this square is nothing but box ABC whole square. Okay, now we can go for next page and solve it. So that this entire determinant value is box ABC. This value equal to box ABC whole square. Now further what is given you can note down properly. So what is given, C bar is unit vector. So and what is given magnitude of C is 1 because is unit vector, and C bar is perpendicular to A bar and C bar is perpendicular to B bar. So that C bar is parallel to A cross B. So C bar is parallel to A cross B means A cross B angle between A cross B comma C bar is 0 or 180. That is one data. Next, what is angle between A bar B bar is given, angle between A bar B bar is pi by 6. This is the data which is given from the question. So now what is our job means you have to calculate box ABC, can calculate first. Later you can substitute here to get the required answer. So I will take next one. So what is given? Angle between A bar B bar is pi by 6. Once again write data. Modulus C is 1. Angle between A cross B comma C bar is 0 or 180. And what else? So that's it. These are the things required. So now we can take box A, B, C will be A cross B, not C. This is magnitude of A cross B, magnitude of C, cos angle between A cross B comma C. So magnitude of A cross B further modulus of A modulus B sine angle between A bar B bar is pi by 6 into magnitude of C into cos angle between A cross B cross comma C is 0 or 180 degrees. So now we can solve it. Magnitude of A we don't know, magnitude of B we don't know, but sine pi by 6 1 by 2, magnitude of C already given C as unit vector, and this value can be plus or minus 1. So that now box A, B, C value plus or minus 1 by 2 into modulus A into modulus B because of plus or minus multiplication. Now we can take squaring. If we take square 1 by 4 into modulus A square modulus B square. This you got it here. Now, but what is what to get? Modulus A the box of ABC whole square is 1 by 4 into magnitude of A square magnitude of B square. But what is the box ABC whole square? That is determined. A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. The value equal to 1 by 4 into modulus A square modulus B square is the answer for this case. So let us check the answer. What is given? C. C is the right answer. Okay, now you can, what is C value? You can check it from the starting step. So 1 by 4 into modulus A square modulus B square only answer.